If you're looking to create a really cute plushy image of yourself, then in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create your own plushy image that you can use for whatever reason that you want. So all you have to do is log into ChatGPT and use ChatGPT newest image feature on the upper left, and you will have a ton of different features right here to style your image. One of them in the list is called plushie, and you can click on it and just simply upload your image. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and choose an image of myself. I have an image of me as a little baby here, and I'm going to select this image, and yeah, let's just use ChatGPT to generate a really cool plushie image of this kid. So as you can see here, it has its own prompt. This prompt is tailored to create the best plushie image, so you don't have to come up with your own idea or come up with your own prompt. This is really tailored to give you the best looking plushie image that you need. And that's it. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds and you will see how ChatGPT create a really amazing plushie image. Let's just wait for it to generate the image, guys. And have a look at that. How amazing is that? It looks so cute. Guys, I'm telling you, this is really, really nice. And that's it. So that's how you can create your own plushie image using ChatGPT. And once you're done, you can go ahead and just simply click and download right here. And you have your amazing little plushie image on your PC. You can use it for whatever you want. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. It looks cute. You can do whatever it is that you want. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. If you found this useful, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and go and try out ChatGPT newest features called images and generate your own little cute plushie image. Thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video, guys.